Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, we will talk about can AI destroy human jobs. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about the top 8 books to learn system design? If you are new here, I am Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment now on this video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. Today, I want to address a question that has been set at the forefront of our minds as we witness the rapid advancement of technology. Can AI destroy human jobs? It's a question that elicits both excitement and anxiety in equal measure. As we delve into this topic, let's explore the profound impact that artificial intelligence is having on the job market and what we as a society can do navigate this transformative era. First, it's essential to acknowledge that AI has already begun to reshape the world of work. Automation and AI-driven technologies have, without a doubt, changed the way human industries operate. From manufacturing to customer services, from data analysis to healthcare, AI is increasingly being integrated into various sectors, streamlining processes, reducing costs, and boosting efficiency. The fear of job displacement is not unwarranted, as AI can automate routine and repetitive tasks, often faster and with great accuracy than humans. This reality has led to concerns about job security and the potential loss of employment for millions. However, it's important to view this challenge within a broader context. Historically, technology has consistently disrupted industries and jobs, but it has also led to the creation of new opportunities and industries that were previously unimaginable. For instance, the rise of the internet led to the creation of countless new jobs in web development, digital marketing, and e-commerce. Similarly, the advent of AI is expected to generate new roles in AI research, development, maintenance, and ethical oversight, to name just a few. Moreover, AI is not about just replacing human labor, it's about augmenting it. AI can empower workers by automating repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more creative, complex, and valuable added aspects of their jobs. This can lead to increased job satisfaction and opportunity for continuous learning and skill development. Nevertheless, the impact of AI on unemployment is not uniform across all industries and regions. It may indeed displace some jobs in the short term, particularly those that involve repetitive tasks. This is why it's crucial for governments, businesses, and education institutions to collaborate in preparing the workforce for the AI-driven future. Initiatives such as reskilling and upskilling programs can help individuals transition into new roles and industries. Additionally, fostering a culture of lifelong learning and adaptability is essential. As technology evolves, so should our tech skills and knowledge. The ability to adapt and acquire new skills will become increasingly valuable in the job market. Furthermore, we must address the ethical and societal implications of AI-driven job displacement. It's imperative that we work collectively to ensure a just and inclusive transition. Policies and safety nets can provide a cushion for those affected by job loss, offering support while they transition to new roles or industries. In conclusion, can AI destroy human jobs? It's a question that demands nuanced consideration. AI has the potential to disrupt traditional jobs, but also it can create new opportunities, enhance productivity, and improve our overall quality of life. The key lies in how we harness and guide this in transformative technology. As we stand on the precipice of the AI revolution, it's our responsibility to shape its impact on the job market and society. We have the power to ensure that AI is a force for a positive change, offering a brighter and more prosperous future for all. By investing in education, fostering adaptability, and developing ethical AI practices, we can steer the course of AI towards a world where humans and machines work together to achieve new heights of innovation and prosperity. So if you like the video, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the next video. Thank you guys for watching.